Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Garage Time TV. It has been a long time since we've made a video and I apologize for that. Had a daughter and that kind of takes a lot of time, but we are up before the sun is because we are heading up to the Vick Auto Open House today. We're not able to stay the night before like we normally are, so we're here nice and early at the Shop Club Houston picking up the 850. Yes, now I know I was going to have a whole series on building this car. When you have a kid, things don't go according to plan, but this car is done running, driving, and I will show you more of that when we get there. But we were able to pick up the car. It's all good, ready to go, strapped down. I'm gonna get you guys some shots inside the car, stuff like that on the way up there. Hopefully we'll be able to catch some of the sunrise on the way in. That'd be kind of nice. Anyway, let's head up north on our way to Claiborne, Texas, home of Vic Auto Sports. We'll see you there.
1 hour later.
All right, so we are fully unloaded and ready to go here for the Vic Auto Open House. We've had a lot of people roll in. We've let a little time go by. We're almost ready for lunch as well. So we're gonna take a minute, kill some time, take a look at everybody's awesome cars that they brought out. 500s, the 850 is here, the modern 124s, classic 124s. We've even got a few X19s. We have a Busso engine Spider here, which is pretty exciting. A later model Alpha Spider. Even some Miatas showed up, so we're really excited. We're going to show you guys some of these cars, walk around really quick, and then we're going to have ready for lunch. They also have trophies. I'll show you those in a second as well. I'm really excited to see you win some trophies this year. But yeah, it's a really good turnout so far. It's a beautiful day. Last year was super hot, so we're glad that we got some overcast today and a nice breeze to keep us cool. Enough talking, let's go look at some cars. All right, guys, so we are all done and ready to go. Awards were given out. Jesse won the Iron Butt Award because he drove his Fiat the farthest. I apologize for the wind. Hopefully you guys can hear me. We are loaded up, ready to go back home. Not a whole lot to see. Just going to be some podcast listening to. Hopefully this thing doesn't bounce off. Got to get some gas, some road trip snacks, all the good stuff. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. We are back in the game making content. And we have big news coming about another future project that I just secured here at the Vic Auto Open House. Make sure you guys hit their website down in the description. I'll have a link for you there. Make sure to tell them that Marshall sent you from Roadsters TV. And until next time, we'll see you.